bought me some crisps. Barbecue prick. Morning. Today's our travel day. We're finally leaving Koh Samui and all our friends behind, and we're moving on.
Really sad to be gone. Have the top on, but we need to make more videos, so we have no choice really.
Yeah, today we're getting a ferry back over to Sudoku. We're going to the train station and we're going to get a second class overnight sleeper train to Ratchaburi. Get in. Pros. Hey, we've really spread out here, haven't we?
Yeah, just a little bit.
We've got to get all of that into 2 backpacks. It's been really nice actually. We've had a good view. That's Dominic, our German friend, who we met in November. He came to see us, so we were out last night celebrating because it's his birthday today. Happy birthday, Dominic. Okay, we've said our goodbyes. Taxi's coming in a second now. Goodbyes are always hard.
Made it to Donsack Pier, and now we have just under an hour to wait until we board the ferry to go over to Sudoku. We have all our little stickers and receipts, and then we go to Sudoku and then we get driven to the train station.
Ferry, but as you can see, pretty alone at the moment.
It's quite empty. It was kind of like one of them where you knew you were in the right place but then didn't know what to do, so you just hang around and then it all becomes clear.
Yeah, it wasn't very self-explanatory, this one, was it?
No. Kind of makes you a bit nervous, doesn't it? Like if you don't know for definite what you're doing. But I think it's about 1 hour 15 minutes on the ferry.
grueling bus ride, wasn't it?
That was a bumpy bus ride.
Yeah. You don't realise how far away Surat Thani is from the ferry port. But we're here, finally made it.
Now we just have to try and buy a ticket.
Yeah, we've been dropped off here at the train station. So we're going to attempt to buy a ticket for the latest train that we can get. I think the latest one's about 10 o'clock.
Something like that, yeah.
So obviously the later we get it, the later we go into the town where we're going to. Because we don't want to turn up there at 5 o'clock in the morning and not be able to check into the hotel or anything. So let's see what's going on here.
That was relatively easy. We bought our tickets. The train doesn't leave till, I think it's 10:30 or 10:15 or something tonight. It is currently 5:25, so we have quite a bit of a wait. But it's an overnight. We've gone for the second class. We tried to get 2 lower sleepers, but from where I heard, they're the popular ones and everybody wants the lowers, so they sell out really quickly. So we've actually got like a lower and an upper. It's alright though.
Yeah, it's kind of. Did you say there was aircon or was it just fun?
Oh, I never said. So it might be freezing and it might be boiling, you just never know.
It's all an adventure. This is a proper sketchy bridge what I'm walking on here, like. Look at this. No, I'm definitely not liking this bridge, like. Okay. Proper bends and twists when you walk on it. Yeah, Surat Thani. I didn't really like this place when we came last time, but it was really rainy and there was nothing much to do other than sit in the hotel, but it's alright. Poor dog's got something wrong with its paw. Needs a little repair, this place, I think. Yep.
Only 3 hours to go.
Got a bag of supplies for the journey.
But not forgetting wet wipes.
I thought they were sweets.
No, the baby wipes. The yellow ones.
I thought they were sweets.
Train's about to leave, not ours.
Got a couple of cans of Leo, some crisps,
Coke, popcorn.
milkshakes. We've got plenty to watch as well on catch up on me, so yeah, alright. We've looked on the ticket as well and it does say aircon as well, so we should be alright. Not boiling our thingies off.
Shut myself there. It's 9:30.
Been sat here for 3 hours. I've turned all the fans off. And we've just been sweating constantly for 3 hours.
Not long to go though.
On the upside, Sharon bought me some crisps. Barbecue prick.
I saw them and thought of them. Can I see?
Finally.
Here comes the train.
Got a long train. We just asked and it's an hour train. So back away. Well, the bell's just rang, so we think it's coming. We've been told to move down the platform a little bit.
He looked at the ticket and said go down there, so it must be the right train.
Yeah, job's a good one. Let's get on it. Get some aircon on.
Let's fit under there. So here we are, the overnight train. I've still got my mask on. Just opened up. Can't see what's a cannery or bedroom for the night. Well, JP's bedroom for the night.
Now we have to be quiet because there's people already sleeping.
Okay.
Finally arrived, Ratchaburi.
Yes, wasn't so bad really.
Got a good few hours, kid.